Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into the 1815 Tambora eruption and why it will happen again. Picture this: snow in June, freezing crops, and dark skies. How on earth did this happen in 1816?
Lord Byron nailed it when he wrote about the sun being extinguished. It literally felt like the end.
But the culprit wasn't weird weather. It was a massive volcano over in Indonesia called Mount Tambora.
To grasp the sheer scale here, we got to look at the Volcanic Explosivity Index, or VEI.
Tambora was a VEI 7. That's an absolute monster that completely dwarfs the famous Mount St. Helens eruption.
Looking at April 1815, things escalated incredibly fast, leading up to a catastrophic climax on the 10th.
The raw power? Unbelievable. This thing blasted a violent column of ash 43 kilometers straight up.
It punched right into the stratosphere. Longitudinal winds then carried that fine ash all over the globe.
Ice cores actually show that 25 to 30 megatons of sulfur were injected directly into our upper atmosphere.
This created a massive, persistent aerosol veil. It literally acted like a global shield, reflecting the sun's radiation.
And here's the crazy part. Average global temperatures plummeted by 0.53 degrees Celsius.
This climate shock triggered horrific famines, but surprisingly, it also inspired the bicycle and Mary Shelley's Frankenstein.
The human cost was staggering. Over 71,000 people died from the direct blast, starvation, and rampant disease.
Now the big question. Was Tambora just a crazy, one-time freak anomaly, or a repeating natural cycle?
Well, deep ice cores from Greenland and Antarctica give us a pretty grim, definitive answer spanning millennia.
The data is clear. Massive VEI 7 eruptions, just like Tambora, are absolutely part of a recurring historical cycle. Tambora slept for centuries while cooling magma slowly crystallized, silently building immense pressure inside its closed chamber. And right now, dormant volcanic chambers all over the globe are undergoing this exact same overpressurization cycle.
The cycle is completely real. So, when will the next huge eruption erase our summer?